Welcome to the poly demonstration of wireless mobile phone charging using the tiny circuit. So here we are using the T5556 IC to transmit the DC signal and to convert that to AC with 120 kilohertz of frequency with 12 volts DC. It will be converted to the 12 volts 120 kilohertz of frequency that was given as input to this transmitting coil. So the receiver coil will be induced when we place that in the region of transmitter coil, and that signal will be the voltage to given as input to this receiver module. So this receiver module will convert that 12 volts 120 kilohertz frequency AC voltage to 5 volts and output. So here we are using the boost converter. The purpose of the boost converter is which will take 1.8 volts input also DC to 5 volts DC. It will boost up that. So that we can get the more distance. So means the main input voltage is 230 volts AC to the transformer, so which will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC, and that is input to this regulator power supply board, which will take 12 volts AC and provide us the 12 volts constant DC after the rectifier and the filter. So we'll get 12 volts constant DC, and this circuit will convert that 12 volts DC to 12 volts 120 kilohertz AC, and that will get the EMF here. So when we place the receiver coil, so the EMF will be converted into induced EMF in this coil, and that same 12 volts 120 kilohertz of AC signal given as input to this board, so which will convert that AC to DC, and based on the distance we will get the variable voltage. So the less distance will get the exact voltage, and when we are increasing the distance the voltage will be drops. So in order to provide the uninterrupted power supply whenever the voltage is at 1.5 volts also, this boost converter will boost up that 1.5 to 5 volts. So if you get the 3 volts also, it will be boost up to 1.5 or 3.5 to 5 volts. And that is the main input to the mobile phone charging. So from the universal cable, we can charge a multiple mobile phones, as this circuit can withstand up to 2 amps of current. So let us see. So just on the transmitter coil, and there is a LED indication in the transmitter section.